Hey guys, now what you're looking at on the screen right now are the Mtaung family faces after finding out that Upahumi was never on a business trip. Instead, she went out on a vacation with Uzolakhe Mkhize, and they were all so shocked, including their father. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, I don't really understand why would this be a problem. In 30 years, you're supposed to be having a boyfriend, have mama out and boyfriend now and all that stuff. What's why we Jola? I don't understand. Maybe because they told her what and then she also stated with family Akuti, I hope we are all happy because want to them kids a family or and then the same thing. Because the last time I checked, and then the next thing was inviting Upahumi to that vacation or home trip or whatever they call it. How? Yeah, coming to think about it, everyone thought to now. Boom, but coming up to this surprise. So what happened is that Upahumi video called her little sister, and then they spoke. While speaking, the older sister came, and then the mother also came. The father was standing far behind. And then Upahumi forgot there's someone in the shower. And her phone also facing on the shower side. And everyone's faces changed. They were like, even worse, he was naked. So everyone was like, how? Pahumi? And what is happening? So now wait for the next episode. What is that is going to happen? I don't know. But for me now, you can't tell me what on a third. Man, fuck off. Comment down in the comment section, guys. What did you think about this particular scene? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on the TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.